Hello out there everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing this amazing Criterion release of Night of the Living Dead, the original gangster zombie movie, directed by George Romero and featuring really one of the most effective low-budget horror film premises ever executed. It was shot in and around Pittsburgh, and as the box says, on a shoestring budget. And boy, did George Romero really strike gold. He did some amazing things narratively to propel the story in a way that didn't require lots of money. And even to this day, the film absolutely holds up. Now, Criterion has gone back and taken a movie that is essentially in the public domain now and available everywhere, but the quality of the movie in nearly all instances has just been absolute garbage. It's just the prints are no longer really worth displaying. So of course Criterion went back to the original camera negative and did an amazing job transferring this film onto disc. And I can't stress enough how impressive the presentation is. It really is worthy of your shelf for those who collect and or consider themselves aficionados of horror. Now the packaging here is wonderful. It's got this hard slipcase, and here's the disc. It's got the disc art. I don't think there's anything on the back side of that, it's just black. But it's got just a bevy of special features. It has this wonderful poster of, I can't recall who this character was. I think it might have been the daughter. Very impressive. And it really has essentially everything you would ever want to know or need to know about the production of the film, all in one package. So I would just say, I know this film has been probably seen by many, if not all of my viewers, but to watch it on this Criterion release really gives one a sense as if you were watching it anew for the first time again. It really is just a marvelous job that they've done, and the film truly holds up. That's probably the biggest take home, is as I watched this film on this Criterion release, I was struck by just how effective it was in spite of some serious budget limitations. So with that, happy spooky season everyone. Do take care, stay safe, and until the next time, bye.